Last Saturday, respecting the will of the people, who after all placed me in the presidency several years ago, I announced my retirement from politics after my term as president. I withdrew all my vice presidential bid for next year's election after giving serious thought on the sentiment of the Filipino people expressed by different surveys, forums, caucuses, and meetings. It is time to give way to a new set of leaders who hopefully continue the reforms, projects, and programs that this administration has pursued for the past few years. It is my hope that the new set of leaders will pursue a platform of government that will build on our gains in the areas of fighting illegal drugs, criminality, corruption, terrorism, and insurgency. I likewise hope that they will continue what we have begun in the terms of infrastructure development and the many other initiatives we have undertaken during my term.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.